Hi, welcome back. So we are going for a hike and it's just nearby. The place is called Melati Hill and we will explore as much as we can and I will tell you the story on the way.
It was 2013 when me and my wife started trekking this hill. There was no signboards, no landmarks, the path was narrow, mostly covered by the thick grass. So, welcome to Melati Hill. I still remember the evening. We started late to hike and out of curiosity, we decided to continue the hill down on the other side. We thought that it's an exit too. Later realized that path was taking us to another hill and it was getting dark. With no flashlight, no cell phones, we decided to keep climbing and the only thing we followed was the yellow ribbon that was tied to show you the way those days. We managed to get out at 8 p.m. Not a pleasant experience, but certainly to remember forever. After that, I went on a lot of treks to the Himalayas, being alone in the jungles and the mountains, and trust me, I enjoyed a lot. Sometimes I feel that this event made me more open to accept challenges and push me further to my limits. At Centipede Hill of Melati Hill in Nilai, and there's various names given for the hills. As you can see, there is a rope hill, there's a monkey, cobra, centipede, mosquito. There's one thing I don't understand. The name that they have put is actually not pleasant. Some of us have fear of insects and reptiles. So I believe not that you will find those things out there, it's just that they had to give names related to the nature and for you to be more courageous, I guess. So we'll move on to another hill.
So my quick day trek in Melati Hill is over. From here I would exit way back to home, and it was a surreal, beautiful, safe trek, most importantly, for today. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and also please subscribe, like the video. So make sure you visit Melati Hill whenever you get a chance. It's a beautiful place. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.